way.
Okay. What color are these?
Yeah.
Okay, what color is that?
No. Blue.
Hey.
What
What color is this?
Yellow.
Good job. What color is this?
Green.
No, it's blue.
Give it
Okay.
back.
What color are these?
Yellow.
No, what color are these? Green.
Green.
What color are these?
Blue.
No, they're red.
Just give
Alright,
it
come
back. A, B, A, N, P, Q.
Here, Kara, you come play with the letters. Michael's gonna play with the numbers.
When I have a number.
What letter is this?
It's not a letter.
It is a letter. What letter is it? What does it look like?
It has a heart.
No. What letter is it?
Mommy, look, it do has a heart on it.
Let me see. Oh, wow. Okay.
Because it's from you.
Oh.
What the?
Okay, what letter is it?
A.
Very good.
No, what?
All right, what letter is this?
B.
B. All right, what letter is this?
A.
No.
M.
Nope.
M.
No.
M.
What letter is it?
I got hole.
It does have a hole.
I got it. What is this?
It's a C.
Yay!
Okay, what about this letter?
H.
Very good.
What's in the
What about
car?
this letter?
L.
Very good. What about this letter?
A.
Nope.
H.
Nope.
H.
Nope.
H.
It's a T.
It's a T.
What about this?
No. It's a line.
What letter?
H.
It's a U.
It's you.
See, here's an H. Here's a U. You see? H, U.
But this. Pick another letter, Mommy.
All right. What about this letter?
H.
Nope, it's a J.
H. It's a J. H.
What about this one?
It's a J. L.
Very good. What about this?
B.
Me. We're running out of letters. What about this?
H.
No, C. Kira, what color is this?
Green.
Very good. What color is this?
Yellow.
No, it's red.
You
What color is
got
this?
It's yellow.
That's yellow. Good job. What color is this?
It's green.
No, it's blue.
What
color is this?
This letter. It's yellow.
No, this is purple.
Look, Mommy.
Very nice.